Beretta model 1934. This is from 1972. And it is a pretty nifty little pocket pistol. Have a 180-degree throw lever safety. And I'm going to take a few shots out of it. And I'll show you disassembly because I think it's pretty hilarious. Slide locks back, then you flip your safety all the way back around, engage that, and then to take the magazine out, you gotta press this, pull it on out, and then to disassemble it, you take your handy dandy high dollar extreme quality stick, beat the barrel, pull it back forward, barrel pops out, drop your slide, whole slide comes right back off. Get the guide rod back in its hole. There we go. And then line your slide back up. Re-engage your safety. Trigger or barrel drops back in. And they said when you release the slide, it's supposed to send the barrel back home, but if you look right there, it's still out of battery, so I found you had to kind of really send her home, and then there you go. Oh, sorry. All the way. And that is the basics of a Beretta model 1934.